So you just submitted your thesis, and your lecturer replies, "Please use British spelling, it's digitization, not digitization." One tiny Z messing up 45 pages. Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to use find and replace in Microsoft Word to switch every Z to S the smart way. First, find and copy digitization in your document. Now press head to the Home tab and click Replace on the right. Paste digitization into the Find What box, then type digitization with an S into replace with. Hit Replace All and Word will fix every instance. Just like that, 20 problems gone. And that's how you fix spelling across your whole thesis in seconds. If this helped, hit like, subscribe to Praisetech Studios, and send this to a friend still fixing typos manually.